Hello, my name is Abby Chung,
Hello, my name is Rafael Perez.
and our project will be on examining the impacts of word count and the use of large language models for rubric-based classifications for students' progression. And so we recognize that large language models are have increasingly been used in academic settings to analyze quantitative and qualitative data. And while they can improve efficiency in examining data, we also realize that there are shortcomings in possibly producing context-blind classifications and reducing methodological transparency of the responses. And so the purpose of this study is to investigate whether large language models are influenced by factors such as response length or structure. And so we'll be using data from UCI's Design and Partnership Lab. And this data set comes from the study of exploring how students define soft skills and whether large language models can be used to assign these rubric-based categories to student responses and student reflections. So to explore this, we'll be looking at a data set of student reflections and focusing specifically on word count to see um, whether differences in word count basically impact the rubric-based classifications of the LLM. Um, and we'll be using a standard t-test to assess whether the differences between groups are statistically significant and just to understand the relationship between both variables. And we'll also be tracking consistency and movement across the rubric-based classifications that the LLM makes.
And we also recognize at the same time that student data may not be fully captured um, from the LLM as well. That could just be like from misunderstandings from their word count or their word choice as well. So our goal is just to make sure that the study highlights what influences the LLMs in order to make sure that we are fully capturing students' soft skills effectively as well. So while we still have data that's still in progress, we aim to capture from more data or examine like missing data as well in order to fully make sure that our classifications are correct and accurate.